The answer to C. So first thing I notice, a negative here. My A is negative. That means my parabola will end up being upside down. If I see a negative A and I have a multiple choice question or anything like that, and there's only one upside down graph, I know that's my answer. But I could double check a couple things to make sure. If there's two upside down graphs and a multiple choice, I know I got to pick one of them because this is negative. I found my AOS. We've gone through that 3 times now. Be careful. This negative stays negative because the 8 is positive. Here is a little tricky. You get -4 for your AOS. I marked it right here. Out here, look over 1, 2, 3, 4. Put my dotted line down. When I here, -4 squared becomes +16, but there's still this negative symbol out here in the beginning because this started with a negative. It's a little tricky. So the +16 then becomes -16. -16 plus 32 minus 7. 32 comes from 8 times 4. I put it in my calculator and I got 9. So -4, -9 is my vertex. I'm going to go over to -4, up to +9, mark my vertex. My y-intercept, I don't have to do any math. It's sitting right here at the position of C, -7. I go down to -7, I mark it. Now, this is 1, 2, 3, 4 away from my AOS. There are 3 spaces in between. So when I come over here, I'm going to have, looks like I'm missing one. See? It's the problem with drawing. I got one right here. So I'm going to come over. 1, 2, 3 for my AOS. Oh, yeah. 1, 2, 3 for my AOS and mark it down. So these are reflexive. Okay. However many this is from the AOS, how many this is from the AOS. Those make my 2 dots. That whether my parabola goes up or goes down, it's the dot I start at, come up, come around, and come down. Or you can start here, come up, come around, and come down. All right. That's it. If you have questions, please reach out to me. Guys, it's been a pleasure.